Is the slide to type feature not working on your iPhone? If swipe typing isn't responding, don't stress. This guide will help you fix the problem. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Ensure slide to type is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap Keyboard. Scroll down to find the slide to type toggle. Ensure that slide to type is on. If it's turned off, toggle it on. Test the feature by swiping through the letters in any app that requires typing. Solution 2. Check keyboard language settings. Slide to type may not work with certain languages or keyboard layouts. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, tap Keyboard. Tap Keyboard at the top of the screen. Make sure you're using a keyboard that supports a slide to type, such as English US or English UK. If your preferred language doesn't support the feature, you may need to add a supported language by tapping Add New Keyboard. Solution 3. Update iOS. An outdated version of iOS may cause issues with certain features. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone to check if slide to type works. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If none of the above solutions work, try resetting all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode, then confirm the reset. This will reset your system preferences, but won't erase your data. After resetting, test the slide to type feature again. That's it. You should now be able to fix the slide to type issue on your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.